Ah, the frame of the car.
Look at that. You see that, Perry?
Yeah.
You want me to pull over for a second?
Yeah, actually, I would try. Go up to that sign. Or if you want, go into the parking lot.
Well, right here I think it's fine.
Yeah, right here is fine. Perfect, Dad. Yes. Thank you. I'm zooming in, dude. That was a good shot. Very unexpected. We're just running some errands and noticed fireworks. Some sort of vacation going on, I guess.
I think it's winter festival. They do it every year. I just forgot all about it.
Well, that's cool. Got to catch the firework part of it. People up front doing the same thing we are.
Yeah.
Are people behind us parked too?
What?
Are people behind us parked?
Nope.
Oh, then somebody else is watching it.
This is the best spot.
Like straight up, yeah.
Get the heat of the car.
Camera angle and everything. We literally left the right moment.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Why is it not blurry?
What?
Camera went on focus all of a sudden.
It is pretty.
Nice little surprise, huh, David?
Yeah.
Surprise for all of us. Nice little 3-minute clip. Is that a heart, or is that just the way it exploded?
Oh, no, it's a heart. That looks like a heart to me.
Oh, yeah.
It's almost like 4th of July in the middle of winter.
Yeah, right. One way to warm up.
Uh-huh.
Here in Milton.
Not have to stand out in the hot sun. We're sitting in a warm car with cold temperatures at 21 degrees.
And we're not sitting on Blake grass.
Yeah. Grand finale yet. There you go.
There's the finale.
There we go. Oh, yeah. Come on. That's better than that.
Keeps going out of focus at the wrong times.
I don't know if that's the grand finale or not.
Of course, I'm going to focus again. Almost 5 minutes now.
We're not even at the grand finale. Nice.
I'm going to try to get a picture of it.
Turn your lights off. You're going to park behind me.
Using the dog egg.
Yeah.
Stupid people.
Yeah, it is stupid people.
This might be the grand finale.
No.
No. those all duds?
No, that's just what they're doing. They're just, some of them don't go off.
Huh.
Not yet. Nope.
We'll let you know, bud.
When they're shooting off, this little, I know what you're talking about. It does, because they're shooting off one after another. That's what they're supposed to do. But the grand finale is like this. It's almost like a machine gun. No, not this.
And again, it's military.
No. I don't know.
That could be it.
That might be.
Yep. Unless.
It might be. On, two. Nope. There we go. That's the grand finale. See it?
Yeah.
That's the grand finale. That's what we're talking about.
Oh, I should probably. I'm done.
It's almost done.
Cool.
No, it's still going. Not quite yet.
Almost 10 minutes.
It's beautiful.
Kaboom.
What a treat, huh?